Now I'm going to bring in 6 more tables into the sales template. And just for starters, I've on a completely blank PBX file, I brought in the 6 here without any changes. And now I want to document them. So I've deployed the Power BI Helper tool from Radicat, which is very good for figuring out what to do with the various columns from the tables. You can easily get that. I'll just go into Radicat here. So what you do is you click here on the menu and you pick Power BI Helper in the middle. Then you scroll down a bit and this is where you can download it for free by giving your email, and you get an email back from Radicat with the link to the program Power BI Helper. So I did that. So this is Power BI Helper again, and I click into the Model Analysis tab and I want to connect to a model. So click on Connect to Model, and that's the untitled one. That's the one I have opened currently. Now I export once it's loaded. So there's my tables loaded up here, and I export that to document. So I'll just say, I'll call that one number video here. So that's the file. Save that. Export document is done. So I'll just go to that. That's the file here. I'm going to open it in Notepad. So right click and open with Notepad. Just make it bigger by double clicking here. I just want to get rid of some of the tags here. So I'll just go down a little bit. The TR ones here. So TR is one of the tags I want to clear here from the file. Edit, replace, paste that in there, replace with blank, so replace all. Then the next tag is just with a / here, and replace all. And just 2 more now, /td, so replace all, and just td itself as well, replace all. So what that does is just makes it the file here in Notepad that bit cleaner. And so here's the 6 tables here written down. Then come down a bit here. This here is the start of the first table, dim customer. So you can see dim customer, and these are the various columns. So it's a lot of white space, so I want to fill in things there as to what I'm going to do with those various columns. They're all different columns here on customer. So quite a few columns. So I want to decide which columns I'm going to keep and what names I'm going to give them. So then this is block now is the next table, dim product, and these are the columns for product. So we'll see in the next video what I did.